Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
My name is Rushikesh Mune and I am from Zil College of Engineering and Research. And today our topic is register in series, project abstract. Register are said to be connected in series when they are diagonally clamped together in a single line, resulting in a common current flowing through them. Individual register can be connected together in either a radius connection, a parallel connection, or combination of both series and parallel to produce more complex register networks. Equivalent register is the mathematical combination of the individual register connected together. A register is not only a fundamental electronic component that can be used to convert a voltage to a current or a current to a voltage, but by currently adjustment its value, a different weighting can be placed into the converted current and or the voltage, allowing it to be used in voltage reference currents and applications. Register in series. Complicated register networks can be replaced by one single equivalent resistor or impedance, and no matter what the combination or complexity of the resistor network is all resistor obey the same basic rules are defined by Ohm's law and Neighbor's circuit law. Resistor in series. Resistors are said to be connected in series when they are DC changed together in a single line, since all the current flowing through the first resistor has no other way to go. It must also pass through the second resistor and the third, and so on. Then resistors in series have a common current flowing through them, as the current flowing through one resistor must be flow through the other, as it can also take one path. IR1 is equal to IR2 is equal to IR3 is equal to IAB is equal to 1 MA. Then the amount of current that flows through a set of resistors in series will be the same at all points in the series resistor network. For example, series resistor circuit. As the resistors are connected together in series, the same current passes through each resistor in the chain, and the total resistance RT of the circuit must be equal to the sum of all individual resistors added together. That is, RT is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, and by take is the individual values of the resistor in our simple example above. The total equivalent resistor Req is the before given as R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 is equal to 1 kilo ohm plus 2 kilo ohm plus 6 k ohm is equal to 9 k ohm. So we see that we can replace all these individual resistors above with just one single equivalent resistor, which will have a value of 9 k ohm, where 4, 5 or even more resistors are all connected together in a series circuit. The total of equivalent resistors of the circuit RT would still be the sum of all the individual resistors connected together and the more resistor added to the series. The greater the equivalent resistor, no matter what their value. The total resistance is generally known as the equivalent resistance and can be defined as a single value of resistance that can replace any number of resistor is series without alternating the value of the current or the voltage in the circuit. Then the equation given for calculating total resistance for the circuit when connection together resistor in series is given as R total is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus dot 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 Rn etc. Now then that the total or equivalent resistance RT has the same effect on the circuit as the original combustion of resistor as the algebraic sum of the individual resistance. If two resistance of or impedance in series are equal and the same value, then the total of equivalent resistance RT is equal to twice the equal. If two resistors or impedance in series are equal and the same value, then the total or equivalent resistance RT is equal to the twice the value of one resistor, that is equal to 2R, and the three equal resistor in series 3R etc. If two resistors are impedance in series are unequal and of different value then the total of equivalent resistance RT is equal to the mathematical sum of the two resistance, that is equal to R1 plus R2. If R1 plus R2, if three or more unequal or equal resistors are connected in series, then the equivalent resistors is R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus dot 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 etc. One important point to reminder about resistor in series network to check that your math is correct. The total resistance RT of any two or more resistor connected together in series will always be greater than the value of the largest resistor in the chain. In our example above, RT is equal to 9k ohm, whereas the largest value resistor is only 6k ohm.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.